Alright, so I'm going to do a review here of Warheads, Sour Jelly Beans, and Kool-Aid Jelly Beans. Let's try these. Honestly have to say these actually look pretty cool. So Warheads are a sour shell with a sweet and fruity inside, and it just says 5 fruity flavors for the Kool-Aid Jelly Beans. So I bought these at Dollar Tree, but I'm sure you could get these at like Walmart or Dollar General, I'm sure. Anyway, the flavors in the Kool-Aid Jelly Beans are Tropical Punch, Cherry, Kiwi Strawberry, Grape, and Orange. And the flavors in the Warheads are Lemon, Orange, Green Apple, Watermelon, Black Cherry, and Blue Raspberry. Let's try the Warheads first. I'm going to try each flavor. As many as I can. These look like little pebbles. Like, they actually look like little pebbles. Warheads actually are pretty good. Let's try the Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid Man has a basket full of eggs there. Oh yeah, I think that's what he says. Like the one when he was at. These actually look like little pebbles too. That's weird. I'll try these and I'll let you know how I like these. They're both pretty good. I don't know which one I would like. I actually like them both. They're actually pretty good. I'm actually surprised because last couple of reviews of like Warheads or like Easter candy from Dollar Tree really hasn't been that good. But they just taste like it's like outdated or whatever. But anyway, these are actually pretty good. I would totally recommend these. I'd give these like an 8 out of 10 actually. So peace.